My name is Sabra. I'm a personal injury attorney. Personal injury cases involve motor vehicle accidents, motorcycle accidents, truck accidents, as well as premises liability cases, which involve falls on snow and ice, falls on someone else's property due to a defect, as well as construction site accidents and product liability cases, which is an injury due to a defect in a product. If you suffered an injury due to an accident, you will have questions. The most common questions are, do I have a case? What is my case worth? And how long will it take to resolve? To determine whether or not you have a case when you're involved in an accident, what we do in this law firm is hire an investigator if need be to take photographs of the motor vehicles that are involved, to take photographs of the scene of the accident, as well as to take statements from witnesses that may have seen the accident. If necessary, we also hire experts, and it might be an expert in accident reconstruction, it might be an expert on safety practices at a construction site, but those are some examples of what we would do to determine whether or not you have a case. How do I determine the value of your case? There are 6 main factors. The first is how much are the medical bills. The second is how much are the lost wages. The third is how long you're out of work. The fourth is how long you're getting medical treatment. The fifth is whether or not there's any permanency. It might be a scar, it might be a loss of function of your arm or leg. And lastly, whether or not there are any future medical expenses for another surgery or additional treatment that you may need in the future due to changes in your condition as a result of the accident. One of the questions clients often ask is, how soon will my case be settled? 2 things to keep in mind. You don't want to settle your case until you've completed your medical treatment or reached a medical end result. There are several factors that go into how long it will be until your case is settled. On average, it's between several months to several years between the time you're in an accident and the time the case is finally resolved. I've handled personal injury cases for over 35 years and recovered over $100 million for my clients. I personally handle your case. Call me at 508-674-0890 for a free case evaluation.